All right, so now we're going to talk about multiplication and scaling. So over here, we have four problems with all of the same starting number. So notice here how they all start with 5. So 5 is the start for every single one of these problems. However, 5, the difference is that it's being multiplied by 4 different numbers over here. So the only difference is the number that we are multiplying 5 with. And the number that we're multiplying 5 with is what we call the factor. The factor is the number that we are multiplying, just like how in the last task we talked about how two factors multiply to make a product. So over here we have 5 and another factor that will give us a certain product for our results. So over here, we're just going to plug it into our calculators. So our goal is to see what happens in the results and see if we can make any observations or any rules with what happens when you multiply a different kind of number to 5. So let's just figure out the results first. So on your calculator, the way that we type in 1/2 is we can type 5 times. And we're actually going to do the parentheses, and we're going to put 1/2 in that parentheses. Go ahead and make sure that your screen, your calculator, looks exactly like mine. And press enter. When you do that, you should hit a certain number, which is 2.5. So we're going to write that into the results. Or we're going to write that into here, 2.5. Now, let's keep on going for the rest of them. Go ahead and do that on your own for the rest of these, starting with 5 times 1, then 1.5,